Okay, so this is a multiple vortex tornado. You can see it. And I want one editor, but yeah. That's a large cloud. Large supercell right there. And yeah, might form some hail and crazy supercell. Yeah, right there, some multiple vortex. 3 floaters. 3 tornado floaters. My touchdown is the monster tornadoes. That dude has been staring at me for a few seconds. Like, he's confused. But I'm a young meteorologist. Hey guys, I don't want to be like Team 3 Timber. 3 Timber. Very sweaty. Anyways, that's all. I'll just give you some updates maybe right now because it's a large rotating storm, which is a supercell. Fun. Is that the edge of the supercell? Edge of the supercell might become a tornado. I think so. Wow. Wow. Large storm, large supercell might touch down multiple vortex tornadoes, just like Greenfield EF4, Elhinor EF3, and Ridge Creek Mountain EF5. And also, also tornadoes that have multiple vortexes, like this one. Very strong. Is that funny? Yeah, this was a car garage right back there. Large storm right there. Stinks here, by the way. I'm having a headache. Ow. It's nearly night, but it's still sunset. Or maybe still day. But yeah, this is a large multiple vortex, multiple cell. Large storm. My touchdown. Multiple tornadoes. And even might form a wedge tornado. Yeah. Real quick, this became a multiple vortex tornado. That kind of reminds me of a hook. I see a hook. Well, Mason 1613 only sees a headlight of a tornado. From a tornado. Like from Team Vortex's headlights. I still respect them though. Do not disrespect their name. Do not even make Team Vortex videos. But I make tracks of Team Vortex on YouTube. Which I'm gonna post in. Yeah, it has been real crazy since it went dark in there. Might form a wedge tornado. And I already see multiple funnels or floaters. Yeah, real quick, that's a large road tornado. Large, long road tornado. Think of this. Long road tornado. And that's all. Bye.